Okay, hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's jacobcrypobury here. I am Jake, and today we can look at THETA network and a bit of a price prediction. We're going to look at some news as well for this particular project. So we can see the whole market is looking absolutely green at the moment. Things are starting to look quite euphoric and bullish, and this could be the beginning of a nice new bullish uptrend. So, look at this. Everything is green on the alt side of things. The infrastructure, the layer 1, layer 2s, the finance, it's all looking absolutely fantastic at the moment. And really, we're still not even in an alt season. I keep bringing up this chart. This index is quite reflective upon the alt seasons and the Bitcoin seasons. Right now we're getting that consolidation of Bitcoin, and until we start seeing a return on the alt season, that's when we can start getting these massive gains. So it could potentially still be a good time to be reaccumulating these altcoins before they start actually getting quite explosive and we see these big impulses to the upside. Fear and greed, we're looking at just 52, so things aren't too euphoric. There's not really a lot of doubt and fear in the market, so we're quite neutral, which is probably quite good considering the actual level that Bitcoin is now holding at compared to May 2021, when we had extreme fear, but at an even lower price. So now we've got a higher price, but with less fear. So that looks absolutely fantastic. And that's what we want, really. So THETA Network, bit of news here. Happy to announce the addition of Andrea Berry as head of business. So they're still expanding their team. They're fully transparent. And also they're doing quite a bit with NFTs at the moment. As you see, attending the NFT LA this week, make sure to check out THETA's Jerry Noel, Knowledge of the Parry. On his panel, the impact of video and streaming applications on NFTs and digital art cinematography. So they're still doing a lot of things, and it's not a stagnant project. Why are we looking at THETA? Well, we want to know really, is it still worth buying in 2022? I mean, we've come all the way down from $16 and now we're back at that $4 price mark. So it looks like a 75% decrease in price over the long term. Using the historical data here, we can see in 2020, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green months. But 2021 was quite a bad year for THETA. So really, I would expect to see at least April being a green month for THETA, because I think that's just the way the market is swinging, the trend. I think things are going to be bullish in April. Bitcoin supply on exchanges has been at an all-time low. Another fact is that 70% of Marches are bearish, 70% of Aprils are bullish. So this is why I'm also thinking, well, it could be a good month or quarter for THETA. If we look at 2021, like I said, it wasn't a great year, but we did have massive explosiveness in Q1. So Q1 of 2022, we've started red, but we could get a green Q2. That's what's potentially happening here, guys. So let's take a look at THETA's chart. I think it's quite important to realize what's happened here, that we've broken out of this diagonal of resistance here. But what's more important is it looks like we're producing a bit of a double bottom bullish reversal pattern. So this is obviously where we've had a downtrend and now we're looking to break back to the upside. We've broken through this key resistance level here at $3.675, and now we're testing the neckline of $4.03. So if we can break through around the $4.38, we did get rejected at this level not too long ago. We were quite overheated on the RSI, and we still kind of are. This is where we should start seeing continuation to the upside. You can see we had a beautiful rising channel over here, and we've broken to the upside of the rising channel. If we go to the hourly time frame, you're going to see that we're just rolling over. Maybe we're going to come down back to the 20-day moving average before moving back up to around $4.40. Ideally, I'd like to see us break through $4.40, because then we'll see a bit of continuation to the upside here for THETA network. And the price target will be once we do break out that particular level, because we do have a few resistances. But if we use the fib extension here, we could safely say that the first real price target is going to be around this level. The next resistance is going to be probably around here. So these are the two targets for THETA network in the upcoming short term. We have $5.25. We also have $5.57. Pence cents. So yeah, it looks really good. We're extended over the 20-day moving average. We're back into the bull market support band. We're trying to come back up to this 200 day moving average, and if we can do that, I think once again things are going to start looking great. When we're above the SMA, the 200 week, like this, usually a good time to sell. When you're below, usually quite a good time to start accumulating, maybe buying a little bit more. You know, not financial advice, of course, but this is what I'm seeing for THETA Network. Huge future ahead, great team, great project, and look, bull market support band. So we might get a bullish crossover here. Last time we saw the green line come into play with the orange line, it was back over here in 24th of October. We had the death cross here. Now we're getting the opposite happen, you know. We had a golden cross. So we might get a golden cross happen here, which means we could be coming up to test these upcoming resistance levels, guys. So $5.30, $5.50. Just want to say as well, massive thank you to the patrons. You know who you are. You guys are lovely. You guys are amazing supporters. And do jump into the Discord channel and just say hi. We've got loads of people in here. I mean, I think there's around 200 at the moment. And you know, it's people of all backgrounds, DeFi, trading, you know, fundamentals, the lot. So make sure you hop in the Discord. I'll link you to that. I'll also link you down below the best place to get your hands on THETA Network token if you want to get it. And yeah, stay crypto safe, guys. Have a great day. See you soon.